DKNG, strong, very strong. This one, spotted into the close, half an hour prior to the close. There was a news, let me quickly read it. DraftKings and Boy Gaming report the Boy will sell a 5% position in FanDuel to Flutter Entertainment for $2 billion. An analyst, and Mizuho described it as a buy opportunity and gives a target of 58. So this one gave us a good entry. It was around 44.40. In the post market is up, so tomorrow I'm expecting to test the first target at 46, and then we're looking for 48 and 50. Very good. Support is at the moment 43, 40, and 42.
So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit sharpertrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at sharpertrades.com. Sharper Trades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.